This is a special tribute for the versatile singer Bhagwanti Navani ji, an English poem, How Can I Forget You, written and recited by Radha Bekhabar. How can I forget you, Sindhi Koel, whose smile is so charmable? How can I forget you, whose music and tune, whose sweet voice is a croon, melodious, Bhagwanti Navani, the Sindhi disco empress? How can I forget you, the humble one of love, whose music has crazed the entire world? How can I forget you, the princess of beauty, who sang songs to bid farewell to lassies, be it bhajan or kalaam? Sukhmani Sahib, laada doheera, oraana sehraa, loris and saakhis you have sung, making Sindhiyat evenings radiant. How can I forget you, Sindhi starlet, in whose company are all affectionate? Be it any occasion, the Sindhi Lata Mangeshkar's rendition has such an effect that Radhabekhabar becomes an infatuate.